Welcome to Gadget Solution. Unifi router setup. Connect the Unifi router to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Power on the router by connecting it to a power source. Access Unifi controller. You can set up and manage your Unifi router using the Unifi controller software. You can either install it on a computer or use the Unifi mobile app. For any technical issue, 1-866-889-0666. Discover the router launch the Unifi controller software. This typically involves adopting the router into your Unifi network. Configure network settings. You can configure basic network settings such as SSID, Wi-Fi password, IP address settings, and DHCP options. Check for firmware updates for your Unifi router. Test connectivity after configuring the router. Test the connectivity to ensure that devices can connect to the internet and communicate with each other seamlessly. Regularly monitor the performance of your Unifi router through the Unifi controller software or mobile app. You can successfully set up and configure your Unifi router for optimal network performance. Thank you for watching.